Hey guys, welcome back to Prodigy Gym and Fitness with our free coaching app. Today we're going to talk about your dumbbell bench press. As always, man, you got to refer back to the barbell bench press. That movement, the way you set up, is going to be any chest exercise, incline, dumbbell, barbell, incline, or excuse me, decline, flat, flies. It really doesn't matter. Go back to that and learn how to bench press. Then you're going to know how to do all these chest machines, dumbbells, barbells, all the different variations. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to start like this. You're going to drop, pinch your shoulder blades back. Almost picture that there's a quarter in your shoulder blades and you're trying to grab that quarter and hang on to it. Then the bench press is like so. Your chest is forward, your shoulder is way behind your chest. Again, that's how people get injured. So I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate it. So you're going to grab your dumbbells, always get back safely, okay? I always just suggest people start straight armed like so. Then you're going to sink the scapula back. I tend to rock back and forth so I can get pinched as much as possible. And when I bench down, I'm going to come down to about here. You're going to see guys that think they have to come all the way up. You're actually not developing your chest by doing that. It's more of a partial movement. So I'm going to demonstrate that. So you're going to come down. See how I stopped right here versus rolling forward? It's that rolling forward that's going to injure your shoulder eventually. It's not if, it's when. So really save yourself the energy. Keep all of your focus on your chest muscle. Bench down, come all the way up right before your elbows are fully extended. Right there is when you come back down. I always tell people, get as many full range as you can, and then this is okay. Go ahead and rep out some partial reps. What you're gonna find out, guys, is those partial reps, after the muscle is fully engaged and kind of torn down, those partial reps are gonna take you physically a little bit further than what you could have done, really developing your chest muscles and your strength. So thanks again, we'll see you next time.